VIAIR Constant Duty OBA Onboard Air System Review. Real off-road proof and results. Have you ever aired down your tires for the trail, then stood in the dirt with no reliable way to air back up? I have. The VIAIR Constant Duty OBA Onboard Air System changed that frustrating moment completely. If you run large off-road tires and need dependable onboard air on demand, drop a comment below and tell me your current setup. That trailside tension is real. The overwhelm of juggling a weak portable inflator, tangled cords, and painfully slow pressure recovery after a long day on rough terrain drains your energy fast. I tried compact inflators and budget kits, but they overheated, cut out, or simply could not handle tires larger than 33 inches confidently. There had to be a smarter, calmer solution built specifically for serious off-road use. Then everything changed when I found the VIAIR Constant Duty OBA Onboard Air System. Don't just pick any onboard air kit. Make sure it has a true 100% duty cycle at 100 psi, so you never waste valuable trail time waiting on frustrating cooldowns during back-to-back tire fills again. The first time I flipped the dash switch and heard the 450C compressor cycle up confidently, I knew this was genuinely different. It filled the included 2.5-gallon tank from 110 to 145 psi smoothly and automatically, then sat ready for immediate use. Here is what surprised me most. The automatic pressure switch does all the thinking for you. It cycles the compressor on at 110 psi and shuts it off cleanly at 145 psi without any manual input required. The 35-foot coil hose reaches every tire comfortably. Thermal overload protection guards the compressor during extended, sustained runs. IP67 weatherproofing handles mud, dust, and rain without drama. Inflating a 37-inch tire from 15 to 30 psi takes roughly 4 minutes. That is real, dependable performance inside one beautifully matched package. Long-term trust is exactly where this system separates itself from the competition. On overlanding forums and dedicated off-road communities, users consistently describe the VIAIR Constant Duty OBA Onboard Air System as a decade-long investment worth every dollar. One verified owner reported running the same unit for over 13 years across multiple trucks, covering air suspension, air horns, and routine tire inflation without failure. An off-road equipment specialist called it one of the most dependable, continuous-duty onboard air systems available for vehicle-mounted use today. An overlanding influencer said it inflated 35-inch tires quickly enough to restore real confidence mid-expedition, though results may vary depending on tire size and starting pressure conditions. Now, the honest objection worth addressing. This is a premium kit, and the upfront investment reflects that reality clearly. But consider what you actually receive inside the box. A matched compressor, tank, wiring harness, dash gauge, safety valve, coil hose, compression fittings, and mounting hardware, all pre-selected and engineered to work seamlessly together. Ask yourself honestly, would you rather source every single component separately or install one trusted complete system once and forget about it? One user wisely noted the included pressure switch may benefit from a waterproof upgrade for fully exposed under-vehicle mounting positions. Let's bring this home now. Picture pulling cleanly off the trail, connecting your hose, and airing back up to confident highway pressure, without stress, without overheating drama, and without second-guessing your equipment for a single moment. That is the calm, controlled daily reality thousands of overlanders, truck owners, and off-road professionals already enjoy with the VIAIR Constant Duty OBA Onboard Air System. It is a complete, ready-to-install solution that simply works. Check the affiliate link in the description or the pinned comment, review the full specifications, and decide whether this system belongs in your build.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.